and they're dangerous and they're real. Been overtaken by a Renault Modus.
Right, so right now we're going to Joe Weller's mental asylum. So make sure you smash a like rating. If we can get 200 likes, that'd be sick.
200 likes, is that it?
Are you challenging then, Ben? Go on.
Yeah.
What's your goal?
I want to get
750.
750? Tim, what about you?
I reckon 400.
400. No, we'll go 750 likes. 750 likes, that'd be sick. Let's do that. Boys, we're at the Joe Weller's mental asylum. The trolley.
It looks more like a church, that's weird, isn't it?
The trolley is there. We're hearing dogs. I'm pretty sure they're guard dogs. What was that? Yeah, that scream. Yeah.
Why is that?
Tim. Can you hear that? It's the same one, isn't it? No way. Oh, where is it then? Can you get in? Can you get in?
You can climb over it, but I don't know how you can get back.
You get back over that way, because it'll be the same. Mattress. Look at all this.
Oh wait, no, it's there though.
That looks so eerie with the moon. Fuck.
It's there.
Hell,
Is it there?
how eerie is that?
Oh, what's that? Shh, shh. Yeah. Ooh. Oh, fuck off. It is. Oh, fuck this. Alright. Go further. Be quiet. And again. No, I need to go through it. Let me go a second. Oh my god. That's a scream. That was a scream. Why so many screams and shit? Dangerous people want to keep out. This is it. Look, dangerous people want to keep out. Remember that? Last from that video. Security dogs.
Yeah, look, yeah, this is it, look, because that's all the gates got messed up. Is that the way in down there?
Yeah.
Lovely floor there. Oh shit.
Is it?
Oh, they pulled it up.
No, that's not the right way. I think we have to go down there.
No, it is.
That is
It's definitely there because they used to come and hit here. It's 100% there.
It's not.
Look,
It
they
is.
pulled it up.
100% there. That is definitely in there. Definitely.
Is it?
Yeah, because that was on top of it, wasn't it?
So actually.
Yeah, I swear down that it's 100% it. Shit.
Looks like we're going to get in now then.
That's the only way.
Wait, guard dogs.
That's the only way.
Wait, let's look around here. Dogs.
In the second floor they've got
Dogs. Dogs. Oh. What's that noise? Piss me off. Wait, be fucking quiet.
That's the only way.
It's just not right. It's screams and that. It's actual screams. Go in there. Keep going. Keep going. Oh, fuck. Where's the release going?
One lock. No, it's a lock.
Locked.
Wait, no, it's a lock.
It's a what?
The door is alarmed. The building ain't, the door's alarmed.
Oh.
Did you go down?
Yeah, right.
I just go, don't worry. Go. It's blocked off. Come on. Okay, sorry. What the fuck was that? Oh, piss off, that was a screen, wasn't it?
No, that's an owl.
No, there's no way.
That's an owl.
What's around here? Just nothing.
There's water dropping from somewhere. You can hear it, look.
Do you want to go in there? Fuck off. Why? Oh my fucking god. Fuck off. Oh my fuck. Oh my fucking god. Oh my fucking god. Oh my fuck. Oh no. Oh. Oh, that was dog there. You hear it breathe? Dog right on the corner.
I swear I heard someone talking.
No, that's like breathing or something.
Like heavy breathing.
There's a dog. That's what that's the barking was. Why didn't it attack us? I mean, it was chained on. I reckon it was chained on. I reckon it's chained.
It saw us, it made a noise.
Yeah. I reckon it's chained on so it can't move.
You would have heard it. If that was a dog, that heard us.
What the fuck was that though? Did you hear it? It was really loud. It's like a...
Yeah,
it's like a dog breathing. It's like a dog like breathing. You know when a dog like breathes like... That's what it's like was. Oh my fuck. You alright? Are you trying to get to the asylum?
Asylum? You are?
The mental asylum, yeah. There's guard dogs in there.
There's what?
Guard dogs. We've just been in there, there's guard dogs.
You've just been in there?
What's that?
Who slipped back?
Did you just get chased? Or something?
What's that behind you? Did you get chased in that?
What? Wait, I thought you was over fishing there.
No, I don't have a YouTube channel.
Who's that car behind you then?
Cool.
I don't know.
How many subscribers?
Nine. It's probably a cock.
11,500.
11,500.
Yeah.
Wait, we're on your video now, bro.
Basically, yeah, we went in there and we heard like dog breathing.
Yeah, fuck that.
And now you can hear dogs as well, can't
Mate,
you?
it's probably Steven's
Can I
mum.
say one thing?
Oh, and there's signs saying like guard dogs and shit in there.
Who just said there's cops there? With,
That's not
What the
cops.
fuck are they doing?
Yeah, no,
They
there are
bombing
cops.
the
If there's
car
dogs, there's
somewhere?
cops.
I reckon they're the security though, but I'm not sure.
I mean, just leave dogs.
On the way back from the mental asylum, so basically what happened was we went in there once and the place the basement where you normally go in is now boarded up, and obviously the window that was smashed is now boarded up, so both ways are boarded up. You can't get in, it's impossible to get in, it's been completely secured. And also, first time we went in, I thought we heard guard dogs, but
It does say, there is signs.
there is signs that say guard dogs, so I would be don't bother going, you can't get in, there's no point going. Throughout the time we were there, we could hear screams, just like the ones in Joe Weller's video, the same sort of like weird scream. I'll play the scream now for you.
85. Right, number 9. 3, 2, 1. Cheese! Easy. Kids.
I and Ben both heard that scream literally as soon as we got there, which was extremely fucked. Anyway, if we can smash 750 likes on this video, it'd be sick. Go check out our social media, subscribe if you're new. Yeah, bye.
Bye.
Bye.